We can also open the new SolidWorks document from here. Select part and click OK. This will open new SolidWorks interface. We can open the existing SolidWorks document from here or from the shortcut key that is Ctrl+O. Before starting the work, we need to select units. For that, go to Options, Document Properties, select Units. There are lots of unit system options in SolidWorks. In India, we work with CGS and MMGS unit system, but in designing, we prefer MMGS unit system. Now, we will select decimal. Select 3 decimal digit and click OK. You can see that the MMGS unit system is selected. Go to the file. We can also open existing file. We can save the part from here or from the shortcut key that is Ctrl+S. Save as is used to save the file in different file extensions. Go to Insert, Features. You can see that it have few other features that is used in SolidWorks modeling.